I welcome all of you to this session on internal reconstruction. In this session, we shall discuss one comprehensive problem on internal reconstruction. First, let me go through the problem. The following is the balance sheet of Ajit Company Limited as at 31st December 2020. Authorized capital 2012% preference shares of 100 each 2 lakh, 1 lakh equity shares of 10 each 10 lakh, total 12 lakh total. Subscribed and paid up capital 1000, 12% preference shares 100 each 1 lakh, 50,000 equity shares of 10 each 5 lakh, 9% debentures 2 lakh 50,000, secured loan mortgage and building 75,000, creditors unsecured 85,000. Assets goodwill 40,000, building 90,000, machinery 3,75,000, patents 45,000, furniture 30,000, stock 1,45,000, debtors 90,000. Cash at bank 10,000, preliminary expense 30,000, profit loss account 1,55,000. You see, there are two fictitious asset and one intangible asset. Then total of balance is 10 lakh 10,000. The company suffered heavy losses and was not getting on well. The board of directors in the meeting of creditors and shareholders decided to adopt the following scheme of reconstruction. Equity shares of 10 each are reduced to 3 shares paid up and further agreed to pay a call money of rupees 2 per share. The amount was received from all shares. 12% preference shares of 100 each were reduced by 25 rupees has to be reduced. 9% debenture holder have agreed to accept 11% debentures of the amount of 2,25,000. Selling of the old debentures. The difference, yes, the profit. In place of 2,50,000 it is 225. Second loan amount was paid at 80% of their claim. For this purpose, mortgage building was sold for 95,000. 95,000, so calculated. The amount available as a result of above scheme of capital reduction is utilized to write off all the fictitious asset, 2 items, including goodwill and patent. So goodwill, next patent. The remaining assets were revalued as follows: machinery less 20%, 20% has to be written off. Stock valued at difference, provision debtors 5%, so written off. Past journal entries. So now first one for the equity shares. You see, 10 rupee equity shares reduced to 3 in the sense 7 rupee to capital reduction account. 50,000 to 7, so it is 3,50,000. Then a call made on equity shares, say, then bank account debited equity share capital account 2 rupee, so it is 1 lakh amount. Then 12% preference reduced by 25, so it is 25 rupees to capital reduction account. Then 9% debentures 2,50,000, 11% debenture 225, difference balance in figure 25,000 is a profit to be transferred to capital reduction account. Then building sold for 95,000, so that is bank account debited to building account 95,000. No, 95,000 worth. See, building 90,000. Received 95 means 5,000 difference. It is a profit. Got it? Book value 90,000. Now sold for 95,000. Thereby 5,000 profit to be transferred to capital reduction. Then secured loan, that where secured loan 75,000. 80% now. See, 80% of 75,000 is 60,000 to whom paid down. That is from the proceeds of building 60,000. So now capital reduction balance should be used. First 3,50,000 plus 25,000 plus 25,000 plus 5,000, total 4,05,000. First 50 says profit and loss account 1,55,000, preliminary expense 30,000, goodwill 40,000, patents 45,000. This is given in the problem. And other assets, machinery less 20%. Here machinery value how much? 3,75,000, it's 20%, so 75,000. Then stock difference 1,45,000 book value, now revalued 1,10,000, so 35,000. RBD 5% and debtors 4,500. After that balance left in capital reduction account must be transferred to capital reserve. Here it is 20,500. This is all about journal entries. Now the balance sheet after reconstruction. Authorized as it is. Subscribe now 1,012% preference shares. Reduced by 25 means 75 rupees. Then 50,000 equity shares can first reduce to 3, then 2 rupee call made. So it is 3 plus 2, 5 rupee, 2,50,000. Capital reserve at the last entry got 20,500. Then 11% debentures less 25 because in place of 12 that 25, 2,25,000 worth 11,000, 11% debentures given. Mortgage out of 75, 80% redeemed or paid means only 20%, that is 15,000. Creditors unsecured as it is remaining. Machinery, so difference 3 lakh. Furniture reduced. Stock reduced. That reval figure is given. Debtor deducting from that 4,500 from 90,000. Bank 10,000 opening balance given the balance sheet, and 1 lakh call money, 95,000 sale proceeds of machinery, and 60,000 it is mortgage loan, that is less, 60,000 less payment to payment of mortgage loan. So now balance sheet total will be 6,70,500. So out of all fictitious asset like profit and loss account and preliminary expense, goodwill paid fully, and other assets, so they won't appear in the balance sheet again. This is all about the problem, solution of the problem. Thank you.